Good afternoon, country people them. Plenty glad for joining us for this last time for Inside the Week. Tori for this afternoon, we go talk palava thief people them way police people they don't catch them. Now for that side so for Nyalam, they want to pass for this early morning time. How the Tori pass, we go talk for now. Now so to Tori we enter for we ear for that side so for Melon, the talk now waiting. Trump breeze where it happened for that side for Melon yesterday. It don't make an school picking them the day for outside and na so to Melon to a dark. This afternoon we go talk chapter for that breeze where it pass for Melon. Palava 32 for inside Douala. We never so finish for Tokam. Road for train for that side for quarter for bamboo tools. Big palava for day. As we dirty, it don't cover all roads. Where train says up. If you want pass for day, it make accident. All the tori then so we go bring am for this afternoon plus even thing way newspaper then talk am. Big part talk editor we say waiting. Say person way he overcheck sense. He overget sense, he go feel say waiting, he go last go die now from Butuku he backside. As a person where he check say he overget sense, he go last go die now from Butuku he backside. Now on Etuge divine for that side so for his Sokolo for Limbe. Now he send we big part up for this afternoon. At the turn back small time. As we talk for now for we strong number them for this afternoon. First we will go talk na palava for waiting, palava for thief where it is home. Police people them Commissioner Mefire Sesep and the Lamboy them na them work this early morning time for that side so for Nyalam. It be then a chapter for people them where the thief motor na for that side where they call them say West region. Carry and bring them for this side for Douala. They no sabi say police people them they don't get plenty sense for how they fit check people the way they thief people that in them. Make we enter for inside Tori now for talk about the people them. Now the motor that this Toyota motor so the people Hilux Center 299 and the thing the way they use them for drag this motor. According to Tori we enter for we ear one of the boy them when I be head boy for thief this Toyota Hilux for that side so for West region. He talk say he meet up the motor for corner road. Yes, now them that on top the motor where the thief and then they put them back on top the same motor. Now they book them that for inside that motor. So now they book them that for motor where they use and thief all kind kako them. It be there for that motor now for tell you say for 2 now thief motor where they get them. They talk say they meet up the motor for corner road. Yes, they say they meet up the motor for corner road. Now anyway one of the head boy them. The head boy now the other one way is just turn up so where the number play the day for in middle foot them. Now the head boy that for the thief motor. Now anyway to say see the motor now that. Now head boy that he see the motor way park for corner then he call this the other combi. Say make he can help you for drag am. He no sabi say that motor get that way they call am say on a GPS. Yes, GPS. Now for the way police people then say for inside Douala here, Jamie, when na Commissioner Mefire say a day for before. Now so they start follow the motor as well the motor the worker. Follow the motor small so they last. They pick this motor now for this early morning time now for that side where they call and say Nyala. And it be then a big lad for people then two way they get the motor as well the last catch the motor where it be don't lost. Push the motor fine so that it go start worker. We carry the people then say way they be thief am. Yes, they carry all them back inside that motor, take them one time now for police station. So now for talk 17 Commissioner Mefire when I say there for that side so for Jamie in Island boy them correct work where they don't do this early morning time. Now for why that would they talk say Cameroon it don't turn na Cameroon for Android even as waiting that is also work for some side some other people then two way they take their work serious. People the way they know they take work serious now company where they look out dirty as when na only them they dey for inside town. They fit do anything way they want do. Anyhow way they want do. After all, they go so pay them money. Now population go suffer. Them go sit down for inside air condition. They enjoy. Make we take una go for quarter for bamboo tools. Dirty for inside that quarter. Na different thing. I say dirty for inside quarter. Thing wey dey vex me. Now say the dirty turn up now for training road. You see training road for corner now? That 2 iron them. Now training road now for day where they carry dirty country and training road that. And the dirty so he go work as sote he throw away on top train road. When train is the worker for the road, see how dirty don't enter for training road now? You see am? When train the one enter for Douala, they make a tumble side. They go talk say waiting. They go talk say they no be sabi, say they be get for commode dirty. See train the road as well dirty don't enter also for inside. Sabi say train any small mistake, it go tumble side. And when train he enter for the road, see say mami they can't throw water. You see am? All them so they the hell for same dirty. They see am say they need to carry the dirty, but they dis also go add dirty on top dirty. They the one now who they for can carry am. Company says way it the look out dirty. It dey like say they don't tire. They know the feel for do no nothing again. They know the feel for do no nothing again. Mami tell we talk.
You don't pass we for the dirty way you see am for here so. All part of the sick, all we for here, all man get sick. So we plead for council. Say me they try council say they clear the quarter because even they say they don't say cleanliness is next to godliness. So the past we have all part of inside Douala is dirty, especially Carrefour Bambutos. Where we know they expect the kind of thing for there for here. All our picking there, they is sick, all we is sick because of the dirty way there for here. Exactly the past, they look with the laugh. So the past we, so we try for system, me can't tell government say me they try system they move the dirty. Or if be say truly say they strike with they need to pay them, me government try for system resolve their problems. Me they system me quarter they clean. Because now so we the sick, you don't pass we don't know side for go. We know the breed, we the chop for corner dirty. But the way they for up there, they feel fine. They inside climatizer. They don't say we were there for down here with the feel her. So me they take themselves say if they be been a we for here, they don't feel wear coat cash enough for corner dirty, but when we this inside dirty every day. So with the bag and now mayor there for entrance. If the pass we, if the level don't pass mayor, at least me government delegate to come. You see say me the problem be solved.
Yes, now one mami that way she done for inside quarter for Bambutus. It be the talk now for Robert Mukube, Chief Robert Mukube in microphone. Chief Robert Mukube too, he be sending microphone for some other gondere. So for inside that quarter for Bambutus, where them says they don't tire for the oversmell, where they get them for their nose, for sika doti way work people the way they pay them for that one, they don't tire for do them. Make we hear ye.
I don't know what I will do now how for the Wakate Bambutu so I beg now. I don't know government. Even as some of the plate now the need every day. We not survive no. But I bet just look dustbin, just look how Kate day. People that they fly benye, we not they fly that they just walk in short. I don't even know to I can't even talk. But I just want to someone I just try to do something. Is that my work? My work for carry dust. You not get for leave the place so. People that is shop for the place. Yes, you're not going to leave the place. So, most of that, it ask 20,000 before I carry the dirty. How come? Who will find 20,000 will give them? You don't correct, but they pay them.
Yes, they pay them. Chief Robert Mukube, before he be one common for quarter for Bambutus, he be show we saw other small place again where they don't left dirty for them. I said Douala na capital for dirty, for that side so for cat etage, entrance for enter place or enter for cat etage. Sabi say na one of the housing that way plenty people them even one the way they come up for outside for that side of Bonaberi they go ever to say cat etage. Make we see waiting to Chief Robert Mukube I. He see him as well he come up for that side so for Bambutus. Now so palava for dirty country people. Yes, so palava for dirty. If we enter for inside that chapter 2 for talk this palava. Now road that for enter for cat etage quarter 2. Now the same dirty way they don't pack them for corner. Now for talk say it dey like say for true. This company where they look at dirty as well they no get another company where it go to make them open eye. They sabi say they don't get the whole Douala. Now for say main governor say she done straight. Yes, main governor she done straight. For Sika say 2035 if we get for go for before. No be now with one company we go to talk the chapter. I say no be now with one company. For Sika say the one company don't already show we say it dey so they don't tire. They don't tire for work. Number 2 company e get for enter. Whether na for chapter for dirty or na for chapter for light. I say number 2 company e get for enter. So that when open eye e go start, all man e go turn up straight. Make we left chapter for 13 now, so we go take una go for melon. We be sorry, so we no go fit for bring una the one way video image with breeze, Trump breeze. It don't Chakara government school group 1 and group 2 for that side. So for melon, but for the first one we'll get now for talk say melon it dey for dark since yesterday. Now waiting happen big breeze it pass for that side for melon. I say big breeze. A pass for that side for melon. Make we enter for inside the Tori in the proper for talk this palaver. Now pour them that for current. All them they don't sleep straight. People there they look all light. Then say they since this morning time. They did struggle for do waiting. They did struggle for turn up depot them back. They tell we say some strong wind way it be passed for melon yesterday. Na different level. All depot them so this stick them where they say na pour for current. All them they sleep straight. See even that BB stick where they for inside own side, inside own farm, it throw away on top people their house. Now how's that? Where breeze it come, it carry all things so it throw away. Now for Sika say waiting pass, rain where it fall and Trump breeze where it enter for melon. Even primary school, government primary school group 1 for melon, it hear bad. Now the school that now small side up for the school way we don't try for sure now. But Sabi say the breeze it be strong. I say the breeze it be strong. It be then a wonderful breeze. See stick the way they don't trade for ground. Now school picking them that. Since this morning time, school picking them. They never enter for class. And now so to melon it dey for inside that country people them. As so we talk, we no go fit for show now the image for that school where it don't chakara off for seekers on small problem. But Sabi say we go turn back for that school so that minister for Palava primary school says it go Sabi say work a day for melon where a get for do am. For seekers say that school it needs say make they turn back for the school. Since morning time, picking the no day for inside class. For Sika the Trump breeze where it pass for that side for melon. As we melon day for that. Now so to primary school picking them for government school group 1 for inside melon. They never enter for class for learn book. Make we give microphones. Sirin Jembam is sending microphones for Pli Madam for government school group 1 for that side for melon. Since morning time, they never get class, school picking them, they never fit for enter for class. Make we hear wait to wait Pli Madam, it tell we time way breeze it starts and as way the thing it happen. Make we hear Pli Madam talk.
Well, we get a practical activity for sports, and then just of a sudden around something past 2 o'clock we just see a sudden storm, high storm. It just comes so it just can blow down all these classrooms as you see them. So the weather just changes, storm just can blow down all these classrooms. Them even go carry zinc them truck even for when they even like 1 kilometer, 2 meters, 3 meters apart. So at this time of then also when at the end of the academic year, we don't know what to do because we never first know time we will keep speaking them. We never first know because even the PTA, not the worker, parents of the crime, money not there, not be a hobby for PTA. And we got so many PTA teachers and for the pay. So for this situation where we thought we saw, the kids do not get way for even study because the storm don't move all roof. So they place for picking the for not there. As far as for this is all they on our rainy season. So Papa will not even know what to do. If government even see how we, sorry we, sometimes they try to repair the classroom so that school fees start, we will be very happy.
Alright, country people them, na the Pli Madanda for government school melon group 1. As we talk, we be sorry so we no fit show na that image for that school for this afternoon. But for other Tori the way go pass for Tori house here, una go take una eye, see as we that Trump breeze. A Chakara school for that side so for melon na government primary school group 1 for melon. Since morning time picking them they never enter for class as well you hear Pli Madam says it don't talk am. Make we take una go now so for Njombe country people them we go to also talk this chapter for the work people them for place where they did look out planty and bananas, small picking planty and bananas so they big. Sabi say since that people they don't shit done they never also to get their salary na number 10 Mondays where they enter for inside that chapter. We take una enter now so for Njombe for place where they call them say Kapap na big company big business place where they look out banana and small picking plenty. We fit enter for that chapter for talk this palaver in the proper with people then so may they see am. Make we take on and now we enter for inside this palava. Now people then that way they so cry, they so beg Nkunkuma, say make he pay them their money on the people them. They so beg even Minister for Palava Scientific Research and Innovation, make SSF he join him up for inside this chapter. Sabi say the people they don't dish done since now already 10 Mondays where the work people they don't dish done, they talk say me they pay their money, but so now money never so enter for their qua. Even plenty them banana the way they don't make them all thing it don't despoil for inside the place country people them work people them say they only come for workplace they can't turn up them the whole place where people they ever flop no nothing no the pass again for day now so to the small picking soccer them where they don't plant them before they carry them for inside this place they take them now for you they look at them when they don't big then they take her now enter for inside farm for so go plant them all the thing they don't show sign say they did die and all the one they saw now money where Cameroon says it don't the losses for inside this company where they did look out banana and they did look out even plenty now the one then that way rain it don't the pass breeze it don't the trade them for ground no man it know they for can look out all the one them so now for sake say they work people then sorted today they did so strike Nkunkuma they did talk say make you come for help them 10 moon they never get salary even Madeleine 20 they did talk say nice say don't take them for hostage so they did beg make all people the way they get more for inside the palava make they enter one time for talk this palava in the proper. Make we hear one of the strike man for that side so for Njombe a plant banana place it be the talk for Jacquino Molong a microphone.
Come, we don't come work, man for Congo come, they want come. Cameroon and go leave place for say you to take them. Since we did time with foreigner they come work, the one begin follow, I say they follow as they start to they talk, they know the one time foreigners that they go. So all that thing they don't make them. We don't get Mubambo, we don't get Diouf, or they don't come. Diouf we been a Senegalese, Mubambo we been for which country, it we don't go, we don't remain so, no nothing no day.
We'll be so talk with that man. We'll be try for Axie. We sabi say after I don't talk, they try for make women understand say they so for that company or place where they look at that banana and planty. As soon as Palava for Central Africa, they try for tell we say each Central African country it get the own time for look at the place. And thing they were now, according to that man we go talk for we now for Sika say na Cameroon, it own time for look at the place. Tell we where the pass for day.
The day now for before all na Cameroonians them. Direct on a Cameroonian. They say na Cameroonian. They say I will mean say but share person when I the government all has na minister for research na Cameroonian. You go for corner. Now only scientific director where they don't give them for foreigner who will look and say you no get no nothing for talk because time where the she knows they come you know they talking no nothing. Man where they control money na Cameroonian. All post na Cameroonian. No one foreigner no day again. Now why that way don't make and they look the other people the way they will be for them and say na Semak or they don't go no country no agree for give money because say all Cameroonian them they don't take and she don't on top.
Yes, so nothing that way the pass and with the social talk from Nkunkuma say for true if you surely get fine mind for to say Cameroon go for before for 2035 but this kind of way and the kind of people that already work with them it go surely make and say make thing that they only drag go now for before for back where instead it no go fit for go for before now for that small one so where we see us so we'll do small story for this afternoon now so make we enter for Tori when newspaper says it talk on this afternoon the guidance post way it dey for outside today it talks say waiting say court for Yawende it don't give summons for Akeremuna sabi say Akeremuna now one of the people that way don't talk say go drag rope with Nkunkuma for 2018 vote for get new president for country. Maurice Kamto says he don't deny a party where they call him say Cameroon Renaissance Movement. He don't deny say their secretary general he never go for no by force pension according to way people they don't be the talk since yesterday. Say Maurice Kamto a party a secretary general he don't go for by force pension. They deny now. They say na big pom. As so the enter to for 20th May. Na so to ngom na too, he don't talk say me security too, he the open the eye. Now for sika that one, according to the guidance post, ngom nam, he don't make me security strong again for inside country before they enter for 20th May. Inside the same story for the Guardian Post, you go read palava for waiting. Minister says we don't send a village people there, they vex plenty for back SDO, for SDO. Now for Sika waiting, now for Sika say 500 million where they keep them. Say me they give them for country people them for Shantabia village as well they want fix roads. Money it don't enter for Sosongo. No man in no sabi money don't go. Inside the same story, you go read palava for Nico Halem where SSF it don't this also for talk. Palava this lawyer people them and other small thing them for the Guardian Post. We go take an also enter for inside the post weekend that way day for our side. One of the work people them inside Constitutional Council they call it say Professor Nkui. He don't talk say any man way if he say as way Nkunkuma put it for that place. Now for you for the work from Nkunkuma a bag. Now big pomporon be that. He talks say waiting. He go only the work. Now for say make Cameroon people them they go now for only for before. And he no go the work now for Nkunkuma. As way plenty people they check say as way don't enter for Constitutional Council. Now for ye for work for Nkunkuma. Inside the same chapter you go read Tori way concern palava for Norwest, Southwest, where they talk say Kamambro people them, they the thief, they the born, and they also make wicked hearts for people them for Njiton Noni. Now for that side so for Norwest. They tell you to say so for inside that chapter for Norwest, palava Norwest and Southwest. They tell you say Bangad CPD and Party House. Now for day where they don't keep people the way they run come up for Ediki for Sika palava Gunway Bihala. Watatu in no day combo people them for Norwest. They also suffer for water according to way the post weekend it talk for we. Other to read the day for inside the post weekend now for you for go find them if you never also read them for Sabiti way it day for insight. We go enter now so for La Nouvelle Expression. Nouvelle Expression, it talk palava for waiting. Local governor waiting they talk. They talk, they don't show we 8 measure them where they don't put away if he help for say make decentralized. It go now only for before. Inside the same Nouvelle Expression, you get other small to read them where it they for corner where you fit for read them. But Sabi say the trunk to him now that 8 point where they give him where they talk say it go help for say make decentralized. It go for before. So that mayor themselves they get some place where they fit look at their thing them in the proper. Another story we will look for inside this afternoon, they call them say Jacques, the one they talk say the accused now who? Inside that one, it tell we say waiting. It talk palava Jean-Ernest Masena Galebibe, when I be the new minister for palava transport. It tell we say waiting. Oga minister, it checks on other small way them, where if it make a palava transport for inside country, it go now only for before. Inside Jacques, you get other story where it consign palava who them. Palava this Norwest and Southwest, they tell we say be then a Trump fight where it happened with that gun peoples and Kamambro people them. This one it passed now for that side for Konye. Palava who it cause this palava for chopping soya for inside country. Now this palava planty rope pan the way woman they wear them. Jacques he enter to for inside that chapter for talk. Even we own countryman for this side. Bitakola he faces up, he be there for this one way come out for Jacques. We enter for mutation way day for outside too. Mutation to deter we own tori. They deter we palava people them, big people them, where they chop small picking soya all the time them. According to way mutation talking to them, inside 3 moon, plenty case they don't come out when also big people them, where they chop small picking soya. For Sikada one, it don't talk for all people them. Say me they shine in their eye. Particularly one the way they get small picking them. Now bonbon, small sweet way they will give for picking them, they take them come out. Now the big tori that way mutation, it talks to me people they shine in their eye over. Inside mutation too, you feel read other strong number them where they carry where it day for outside today. So, calling people them, now so we see country for this half time with this also talk, happy birthday for small picking for Cyril Jemba for that side so from Konsamba, Mungalen Jemba Audrey Michel, where he says he don't add another 1 year for your year today. If you there for on top table, chop your chop fine, and for ambassadors, Sabi say for Saturday, 12:30, sote for 1:30, na PG New Debate, where they talk with our trainer the way we go give them invite. Some of the turn topic the way we don't talk them. Tori the way don't pass for the week, we go turn back for day tomorrow. 12:30, 1:30. Make no man no shake. Make una all am tight.